how to recover hacked Facebook account. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Google Chrome in your mobile device. Now in the search address bar, type down the Facebook account support chat. Then tap on the first option. After that, in the help center, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen. From there, tap on the managing your account option available there. After that, tap on the login option available in the top. Now, inside the login, simply scroll down and tap on the fix login problem option available there. After you tap on the fix login problem, you will be navigated to your login issues. From there, scroll down till the bottom and you will get to see recover your Facebook account option available there. Simply tap on the recover your Facebook account option available in the bottom and a whole drop-down menu will appear from it. From there, scroll down and look for the hacked option available. It will shown like if your account is hacked. In the top you can see the blue highlights option available. Simply tap on it and it will navigate you to the hacked option. Also make sure that you enter your email address of your Facebook account, and so you can see Facebook is checking if your account is hacked or not. So it might take few minutes for the process to complete. After you do so, you will be navigated to the page where you can change your passwords. If you remember your current password, then all you have to do is enter your current password and re-enter your new passwords. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.